My name is Mickey and I'm going to attempt to learn how to play the guitar. Hopefully you'll come along with me. Just a quick recap on the previous lesson where we looked at the chords A minor, C and E. In that lesson we just concentrated on finger placement, forming the chord shapes using downstrokes only. In this lesson we will have a little play around using our other hand trying to get some sort of tune using these chords. There is no right and no wrong in this lesson. It's just about taking things slowly, feeling comfortable with your guitar and trying to get some sort of a tolerable tune out of it. As I said in the previous video, I am also a beginner. While speaking to a friend who has been playing guitar for years, he said that the best advice he could give me was to make things, especially chord change, very, very slowly. It's more important to get them right than the rush and making a mess out of things. Quick chord changes will come in time if you practice on a regular basis. So anyways, let's get things started, and remember what I said, there is no right and no wrong, just slow chord changes, trying to be as accurate with your finger placement as you can. First things first, always make sure your guitar is in tune. When it's in tune, it should sound like this. We're just going to start off with a simple strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. A minor, moving up to C, to E, back down A minor, C and E, A minor, C and E. We'll do it a few times just to see how we get on. Down, 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 down. When you start feeling, a little bit more confident that you're moving around those three chords, basically just try and have a little jam with yourself, a little jam session. Try and get a little bit of a tune going. Doesn't matter what it sounds like, to be quite honest. We're only learning. So let's give it a bit of a go. Use it again, A minor, C and E. So that's it for today's installment. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Eh, Michelle?